everyone, thanks for joining. I thought I would kind of show you. I'm making a Allen wrench holder, Allen wrench set holder, and I made one already. This is what my wife got me, a set of these really nice 14 cobalt Allen wrenches, and I already made one. My build plate will only let me make one at a time. I couldn't put all four. I have 14 of these, so it wouldn't fit them all. So this is the first one. So I'm gonna kind of do a quick video on designing the second set, which the second set, my Allen wrenches, they get pretty big. That's the biggest one. So there's the first 7, and I'll show you that next set, the second 7, coming up right now. So here we go. So once again, here are the first set of Allen wrenches, which came out really nice. There's the holder and the bracket and everything. I originally wanted to maybe use magnetic mounts on the back and stick it to the side of my toolbox in the garage. But after here's the one I just made. And you could see these handles are pretty big, and they get really heavy. So here it is, and turn that around. Came out really nice. So, but it's heavy. It weighs about 4 pounds. So I think I'm going to just go ahead and hang it up next to this other one here, so side by side. But I think it turned out pretty good. Anyways, thanks for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed this video. I've got some other videos coming up that I hope you like, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the like, and we'll see you real soon. Thanks.